Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. I'm Becca, and today we're going to learn about Omamori knots. If you're wondering where Carissa is, she's off camera working on even more content for you guys. Also, quick shout out to the comment section for suggesting this video topic. In Japan, Omamori or Omamori are said to bring good luck and protection. They're usually made up of prayers written on a small piece of paper or wood, which is then wrapped in silk and tied up with a cord. If you're in Japan, you can usually find Omamori at most Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples. However, you might notice they've been pretty commercialized thanks to the internet. For supplies, today we'll use about 3 feet or 1 meter of 550 paracord. We're also going to try out a new cord tucking tool just for the sake of demonstration. It has a curved end that won't fray the threads while you're working with them, and a pointy end that can pierce through most cords. Okay, let's get started. Begin by folding your cord in half. Then use the running ends to make an overhand loop like this. I find it helpful to give the outermost cord a little slack. Then bring this cord over here and fold the bite upwards. It should kind of look like a heart right now. Next, you're going to take the running ends behind everything and out through the overhand loop. Then lay them flat across the center of the knot, pointing left. You should start to see a square forming right about now, with those running ends making up the top portion. Then pass your ends up through the bottom 2 strands of the square and over the top 2 strands, like this. Then pass them down through the center of your original fold. Here's how it should look on the front, and here's how it should look on the back. Finally, pass your running ends down under these horizontal cords. And tighten. I think it's easier to adjust how big these loops are as you go, but you can still shift them around at the end. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, here's our example. If you want it to be smaller, you can tighten the loops even more, or just start with a different sized cord. Here's another example we made using 95 paracord. Overall, we think it's a beautiful knot with a rich history. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, let us know what you think down in the comments. And if you live in or have been to Japan, let us know if you've ever received an Omamori. Finally, thank you for helping our channel reach over 150,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you're new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button for more paracord related content. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.